Creation for Cures friends. I'm Eileen and I am a volunteer with Creations for Cures. And we're here in October to make a new art project. I'm very excited. It's going to be a spider web. So
it's the web! It's the spider web!
I made two of them. I have one in purple and one in orange. Purple to match my hair. And orange because I like that color. But we're going to make these together. You don't need a lot of supplies. You need some construction paper. You need your scissors. Be very careful, as always, when you're using scissors. You need some glue and some tissue paper. So I have some tissue paper and I actually have some of this cool ribbon. So, all right. So I cut out a few before. I will let you know that the first time I did it, I didn't cut it out wrong. So this one was my mistake.
Oh, my mistake.
So I'm going to show you how to do it. It's pretty simple, but let's get let me put my supplies over here. Let's get first our black piece of construction paper. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold the corner down because I want to make a triangle. So here's my triangle. Make sure I have my corners right. I'm going to put it down so I can fold it, and then I will show you exactly what it looks like. So here it is. I'm going to cut this piece off. So this is the first time I'm going to use my scissors. And as always, be very careful. Have an adult help you if you need it. Okay. All right. So now I just have a regular triangle.
Oh yeah, a triangle with 1, 2, 3 sides.
I'm going to fold my triangle in half. Just like this. And I'm going to fold it one more time. Ready? I'm going to fold it just in half. Just like this. Okay? Now we have a smaller triangle. We're going to fold it one more time. I'm going to take this part where the fold is, and I'm going to fold it in half. Just like this. Can you see that? Just like this. Okay? And then I have a little excess on the top. I'm going to cut that off. Okay. Are you excited for the fall? I am. I like when the fall comes. I like when it gets a little bit cooler. I like when the leaves change.
I love autumn.
I love all the holidays that come up. Halloween and Thanksgiving and Christmas and Hanukkah. All the fun holidays. Okay, I like sometimes when it snows, but not too much snow.
Do you like snow? Oh, I love snow.
I especially like Halloween though. We're gonna take this and I'm gonna cut at the very bottom, just kind of like a little bit of almost like a little bit of an arc. Just like that. Okay, so just a little bit of an arc. Now, here comes the big part. This is how you make your spider web. Take your scissors and on the fold bottom, so this is where the fold is, on this part of the triangle, you're gonna cut out some little triangles. Don't cut all the way through though. You only wanna cut out just enough so that you can pull those little triangles out. Let's see if I can get, oh, there we go. I'm gonna do another one. Another little triangle. So do you know that a spider web is obviously where the spider lives and how he traps his food?
Look! It's the spider web! Ew! Spiders!
I guess we're kind of making, this is a spider web, but did you know a cobweb is a spider web that a spider made and then abandoned? So, okay. All right, so now I've got all my little cuts in here, and hopefully when I unfold it, it looks like a spider web. Are you ready? Okay, I'm very excited. Let's see if I think I did it right. Ooh, I did! Ta-da! There's my spider web. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of this tissue paper that I have, and this is actually party ribbon from a party that I had, but I figured this is gonna work pretty good too. I'm gonna cut some squares out so that I can kind of have a little bit of decoration behind my spider web. Did you know that there are 38,000 different varieties of spiders?
Max, what are those spiders doing there? Scary? Huh.
That's a lot of spiders. I know that some people are afraid of spiders. I'm not afraid of spiders. I'm not afraid of them. I know that they kind of help. They like to trap for their food mosquitoes and flies. So I'm usually pretty happy if I see a spider because I know he's going to help keep my house fly and mosquito free.
Well, I know this spider. He's a nice spider.
Okay, so now I have a bunch of these little cutouts. I'm going to take them and I'm going to glue them onto the back side of my spider web. So let's say I'm going to pick this up. I'm going to take my trusty handy dandy glue stick. Ooh, very sticky. Okay. And I'm going to put a little bit of glue right kind of so I can stick on these little, let's see, I'm not going to put one everywhere, maybe just a few, but I'll kind of show you what it would look like from the front. See, so I'm going to put them there glued on the back, but you can kind of almost see them a little bit. Let's move this one a little bit. So let me do a little more gluing, and then we'll have those on there. What else do you know about spiders? Do you have a lot of spiders around your house? I know that there's actually one type of spider that is almost all vegetarian. So it eats almost nothing but vegetables.
Look at all these delicious vegetables I bought. We have some zigzag zucchini, and curly corn, and kooky carrots.
Which I'm sure is a very nice, healthy diet. I also read somewhere that the jumping spider can actually see more varieties of color than we can. That's a pretty amazing fact, I think. Okay, so I have glued all of my paper. Here's the way my spider web looks now. Looks pretty good. I think I'm going to draw a little spider on here. You could take the opportunity to put some stickers on it, or you could draw a little spider. I'm gonna grab my crayons, and I think I'm gonna draw myself a little spider on here. Get my crayon. I'm gonna give him a nice round body. You know, most spiders have 8 legs, so I'm gonna make sure to try to give this guy 8 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I didn't see a clue. I saw the spider.
Yo!
And then look at him like shooting a web to the middle. Here's my spider. Oh, he's glued down a little bit because I have so much glue on here. Let's see, here's my spider. Are you ready? Okay, it's sticky because it's a spider web, I guess. But look, there's my spider. There's my spider web, and there's all my pretty colors. If I hold it up to the light, I'll get all those pretty colors to shine through. So you can make your spider web any color you want, whatever your favorite color is, and you can put whatever tissue paper you want on there, and then you'll have a really pretty design. Maybe you could decorate your house for Halloween, huh? Anyway, I hope you had fun with me making our spider web. Make sure you check out our YouTube channel where we put all of our videos so you can see all the crafts that we've made, and we can make all our crafts together. But I look forward to seeing you in November. Thanks.